बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 7, 2024 के अखबार में। पहली जॉब है कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, नीचे लिखा हुआ है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी लीगल कंसल्टेंट एंड लॉ ऑफिसर रिक्वायर्ड। Competition Commission of Pakistan is seeking services of two experienced legal professionals for the posts of legal consultant and law officer on a 2 years contract basis. The ideal candidates must possess the following qualifications/experience. Serial number 1, designation legal consultant, qualification and experience. The candidate must be law graduate ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है LLB from HEC recognized university or a reputed foreign university with 20 years of experience in public or private sector and at least 5 years of experience in legal practice. The candidate must have following professional credentials: A. Experience of drafting or reviewing of conventions, agreements, MOUs, contracts, rules and regulations and other legal documents. B. Exceptional written and oral communication skills combined with adept research, interpretation and representation abilities. Key responsibilities. The key responsibilities will include: A. Represent commission in various judicial forums, courts and files / defend the litigation cases. B. Streamline and evaluate ongoing litigation cases across different courts of law to strategize for expeditious disposals, optimizing benefits for the commission. C. Liaison with government departments, government-owned corporations and courts. D. Draft and scrutinize rules, regulations and other legal instruments with precision and attention to detail. E. Rendering advice on legal and regulatory affairs and execute necessary acts assigned by the Commission involving legal issues as and when directed. F. Opinion writing on intricate corporate issues, demonstrating an analytical approach and a nuanced understanding of complex legal scenarios. Remuneration. The Commission offers competitive remuneration with fringe benefits commensurate with the experience and overall qualification. Age limit 40 to 60 years. Number of position 1. अच्छा, दूसरी जो पोस्ट है वो है लॉ ऑफिसर की। द कैंडिडेट मस्ट हैव मास्टर्स डिग्री ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ LLM फ्रॉम HEC रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और अ रेप्यूटेड फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी एंड और बैरिस्टर एट लॉ विथ एट लीस्ट 3 years of experience dealing with legal research, advisory, litigation and drafting of legal documents in public or private sector. The candidate must have following professional credentials: A. Understanding of regulatory regime in Pakistan. B. Experience of legislative drafting including rules and regulations. C. Commitment to professionalism, discipline and integrity. D. Excellent written and oral communication, research, interpretation and representation skills. E. Strong leadership and teamwork skills. F. High court license. Key responsibilities है. The key responsibilities will include: A. Rendering advice on legal and regulatory affairs and perform all necessary acts assigned by the Commission involving legal issues as and when directed. B. Drafting and examination of rules, regulations and other legal instruments. C. Providing legal and procedural support to in-house adjudication. D. Representing Commission in various judicial forums / courts. E. Opinion writing on complex corporate issues. Remuneration. The Commission offers competitive remuneration with fringe benefits commensurate with the experience and overall qualification. Age limit 28 to 45 years. Number of position है 1. General terms and conditions. The candidate possessing the requisite qualification, experience and age may apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. No TA/TA will be given to the candidates who appear in the test/interview. Government employees may apply through proper channel after getting NOC from the parent department. Applications that are incomplete or received after the due date will not be considered. General age relaxation of 5 years in upper age limit would be guaranteed as admissible under the rules. After completion of 2 years contract, individuals exhibiting exemplary abilities, knowledge and outstanding performance may be considered for an extension period based on performance and requirement. Candidates who try to exercise undue influence during the selection process will be disqualified immediately. The organization reserves the right to accept, reject the applications or postpone the process as allowed under the rules. The organization, being an equal opportunity employer, offers competitive packages with excellent benefits to ensure excellent growth potential in a dynamic working environment. How to apply? Interested candidates meeting the requisite qualification/experience/skills criteria for the mentioned posts may apply online at www.cc.gov.pk. Applications must be submitted online within 15 days of publication of advertisement. Assistant डायरेक्टर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ HR, कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान 051910026023 051910026023। ये इस्लामाबाद का PTCL नंबर है। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।